Tantalus Systems is a technology company that is focused on helping electric utilities modernize the distribution grid.
Tantalus Systems provides a hardware-enabled software platform that connects meters, sensors, and grid devices so utilities can act on real-time data. Serving a large community of power providers, the system unifies communications, edge computing, and analytics across the distribution network.
So what we do is help utilities gain visibility and command and control over all the assets that are responsible for delivering power, and from there make improved decisions and ultimately try to solve some problems.
TRUSense was fully certified and available for utility field trials and pilot programs in fall of 2024. The first commercial deployment was announced in July 2025.
Over 40 utilities have placed initial orders for that product. And so I think for our team, it's a great validation. First from innovation and thinking about a new way to deliver technology and help utilities, then to the actual development, now to the delivery, and from delivery to actually generating revenue and solving some really interesting things.
Tantalus has gained 30 years of experience working with utilities at the grid edge. Today, its hardware-enabled software can add functions at existing meter sockets and surface actionable data without full meter replacements, leaving utilities better prepared for rapidly changing demand.
There's not a day that goes by in the news today where we don't hear about the rise of data centers and AI and the electrification and the use of power and how our grid's not ready to handle it.
As the installed base expands and more utilities layer software and services onto the platform, usage and data continue to compound. TRUSense deployments at the meter socket and broader analytics rollouts are adding momentum.
For shareholders that look to both expand and diversify their portfolios, what they should look for us is continued growth in our financial results, continued growth of our user community. We typically add about 20 new utilities a year. And for us with the TRUSense Gateway, not only getting utilities to start to deploy that, but also seeing some of the analytics